Hello again, Elmer Murillo here, and today I am replacing this zone board, Honeywell 322. It failed. It's still under warranty. Honeywell gives you 5 years, so we went to the supply house and got our new one. Now my goal is to just rewire everything the same way as here. Very important. Some boards is to double check. In this case, we did this job 3 years ago, I think it was. So, and then we added a transformer, a dedicated transformer for this guy. So that's the existing one. Yeah, I know it looks like there is a spaghetti over there, but that's sometimes that's the way it is. We do our best to keep everything clean, but that's important where for some boards, what I have learned, RNC right there, a dedicated transformer. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be replacing this guy and then test the system. All right. Just want to show what I have done so far. We have this M1, M6. They are going to zone damper that is providing air for the third floor. So that's gonna be zone 1. Okay, so zone 1, very important. M1, M6, and then if we wanna, right there, M1, M6, and then if we wanna have a green light at all time when they are open, we can use the M4, add an extra wire over there, so this way you get the LED closed red and then the open green at all times. Okay, all right, so here we have it. I have wired everything. This is from the equipment. This is for my RNC. We use blue and black. Then we're here, it's color coded. We got zone 1, zone 2, and we also had the sensor. That's the temperature sensor. And then later I'm gonna show how to go about setting all this, what type of system this is, heat pump, 1 stage, 2 stage, and things like that, and also set the parameters for the sensor in cooling and in heating, max and minimum on cooling. And that guy is located right in there. That's our sensor right there. Okay, now that I have finished, I'm not gonna override that. It's gonna go DATS no present, so we're gonna reconfigure this guy. System, we have to change it to heat pump. Compressor stages 1, auxiliary heat enable, yes. RF, no. Zones installed, 2. Heat pump energized on O. Zone 2 energizes on O. This is equipment, so we're energizing on cooling mode. And then second stage control is off. We don't have a second stage. Yes, let's go here. Purge 2 minutes. Fan and purge, we're gonna do the panel, and then purge dampers on change. So changeover delay, we're gonna do 15 minutes. This charge sensor, we're gonna say yes, because there is one, and this is where we had to set the perimeters. In this case, it's 160 degrees on heating, and I'm gonna go at 35 on cooling, just because, you know, I mean, if I go to 30, I'm pushing it to you know, get ice in there. So that's it. Save changes, we're gonna say yes, and let's see what we got. Okay, there you have it. That's the zone board. Now I've been cycling this unit in heating and cooling mode. It's February, actually it's yeah, the end of January, and it's getting warm outside, so we're in the south. I mean, 60 degrees is fine to test the system on cooling. So I'm about to cycle this thing up. This is one of the thermostats, 1074 at this time. So, you know, this is what we do, and I hope you know, I can keep up with all these videos in the future, and you know, just showing what we do in the field, the kind of environment that we are every day. Again, I hope you know, this is just basics. I didn't go over the whole thing, you know, just the settings and all that, and then the wiring over here. Since we already added a thermostat, it was basically just, you know, pairing the wires, because it's a basic system. So this is it for today. Elmer Murillo, the legacy of home comfort, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.